Social Security new earnings limit is catching retirees off guard due to FAP. Thousands of retirees are suddenly losing part of their Social Security check in 2026, and most did not even realize why it happened. The 2026 earnings limit just changed. Many retirees believe they can work part-time while collecting Social Security without affecting their monthly check. But in 2026, the updated Social Security earnings limit is catching many people completely off guard. This year, retirees who are below full retirement age can earn up to $24,480 annually before Social Security start reducing benefits. For people reaching full retirement age during 2026, the highly limit is $65,000 before deduction apply. Once someone officially reach full retirement age, the earnings limit disappear completely. The problem is that many retirees don't fully understand how quickly even part-time income can cross these limits, with inflation and rising costs pushing more seniors back into the workforce. Many are unknowingly triggering benefit reduction and finding out only after their social security payments suddenly shrink. How benefit reduction actually work? One of the biggest reasons retirees get confused is because the Social Security reduction formula sound more complicated than it really is. If you are under full retirement age for the entire year, Social Security withhold $1 in benefit for every $2 you earn above the annual limit. For retiree reaching full retirement age during the year, the formula becomes slightly easier. Only $1 is withheld for every $3 earned above the higher threshold. But here the important part many people misunderstand, those withheld benefits are not permanently lost forever. Once a retiree reach full retirement age, Social Security recalculates the benefits and can increase future monthly payments to account for the earlier reduction. Unfortunately, many senior panic when they first see reduced check because they assume the money is gone permanently. Even part-time jobs are causing problem because living costs continue rising. More retirees are returning to work during retirement. Some take seasonal retail job, drive for rider share apps, freelance online, or do consulting work to extra income. The problem is that even moderate part-time wages can exceed the earning limit surprisingly fast. For example, a retiree collecting early Social Security benefits while earning around $30,000 annually could face thousands of dollars in temporary benefit withholding. Many people don't realize this until they're receiving smaller social security check or even unexpected repayment notice months later. What feels like just a little extra income can sometimes create a major financial surprising if wages are not carefully tracked throughout the year. That's why understanding these limits is becoming more important than ever for working retire. Self-employment makes things even more confusing. For self-employed retiree, the rules become even more confusing. Many freelancer consultants and small businesses owner assume Social Security only look at final profit. But the government also check whether retirees are providing what it calls substantial services. Through self-employment, this means someone running a small businesses or side hustle could still trigger benefit reduction. Even if income fluctuated month to month, senior selling products, online doing contract work, or managing flexible businesses often don't realize these rules apply to them too. Since self-employment income can vary throughout the year, retiree may accidentally underestimate their earnings and later face overpayment notice from Social Security. This confusion is one reason financial advisory strongly recommend that retirees carefully monitor both their income and work activity when collecting benefits early. The little no monthly rule can help. There is one important rule many retirees don't know about that can actually help them avoid losing benefits. The special monthly earning rule. This rule is designed for people who retire in the middle of the year after leaving a higher paying job. Instead of looking only at total annually income, Social Security may evaluate earnings month by month. In certain cases, in 2026, retirees under full retirement age can qualify for benefits during months where earnings stay below about $2,040 per month. This can help people transition gradually from full work time into retirement without immediately triggering major benefit reduction. Unfortunately, many retirees never learn this rule exists, which means they miss opportunity to protect more of their social security income during their first retirement yearly. Why overpayment notices are becoming common. One of the most stressful parts of this system is the growing number of Social Security overpayment notice. Because the government often estimate future earning ahead of time, retirees who accidentally underestimate their income may receive too much in benefits during the year. Months later, Social Security may spend letters demanding repayment, sometimes for those of thousands of dollars. For seniors living on fixed income, these surprising notice can create serious financial stress and panic. Financial experts say one of the best way to avoid this situation is to immediately report any income changes to Social Security during the year instead of waiting until tax season. A simple update can prevent future repayment problems and help retirees avoid unexpected deduction in their monthly check later on. Final lesson. Full retirement age change everything. The good news is that these earnings limit don't last forever. Once retirees officially reach full retirement age, 67 for most younger Americans today, they can earn unlimited income without triggering social security benefit reduction. At that point, people can work full time, part time, or through self improvement without worrying about earning limit at all. Because of these, many financial planners now encourage retirees who expect to continue working heavily to delay claiming Social Security until full retirement age. Whenever possible, the biggest lesson for 2026 is simple. Understand the rule before you start working retirement. A little planning can prevent surprise benefit cuts, prepayment notice, and unnecessary stress. Because when it comes to Social Security, knowledge can literally protect your retirement income. Okay, I hope